Well, then let's introduce ourselves. I'm Damien Karras.
And I'm the devil. Now kindly undo these straps.
If you're the devil, why not make the straps disappear?
That's much too vulgar a display of power, Karras.
Let's draw from harsh rhythm, spit bars for song killer, sinner killer, Natus lava, King Kong and Godzilla, destroying the planet. I'm Dilla Oya with headers, planting bodies inside the dirt to feed the soil. Your ashes are reign of terrors forever. We cleverly sever letters, got the power to bring Alaska's weather out to the desert. Death is in the air, lyricists are in despair when rap cats get involved with California's grizzly bear. Cause I tear flesh from bone, casting spells off the dome. My tracks are leaving rappers impaled with microphones striking gold with the stroke of a pencil. The Omen's temple is brought to life with an eighth of Los Angeles confidential. Disease, pirates, even in our sleep we dream of violence. Before shows were injected with Resident Evil's D-Virus. Bleed from your sinus cause our lines are too dope to ingest. Keep the organs in the flesh of all of those I dissect. Dr. George Lodale doing surgeries and roach motels. Took my girlfriend's advice when she told me to go to hell. Get paid to murder people like I was Herman Petrillo. Visit hell and heaven, but for now I'm living in the middle. For mispronouncing Natus, I'll cook your skin in the bacon and turn your frontal lobe into a packet of raisins. Releasing bombs for Viet Cong. My cheek was scarred by demon claws. Torture all our victims just to see if they believe in God.
Puffin' the evil fatty with William P. Blatty. I'd rather lay dead in bullets than drive around in a caddy. I'm sniffing eyeballs like hostile and painting bloody Picassos. I'm better up underground with dirty demonic fossils. Casting spells up from Hades, impregnating you ladies. I'm humping you like Cujo, infected with deadly rabies. Your ovaries is my dinner. I'm burning you on a cinder. Send a kill with dismember, turning toxic avenger. I kick back in the chapel while eating some Adam's apple. If you do not listen, my demons will come and shackle your tabernacle, a jackal. Don't frighten a tadpole. I'm changing the horror game. Realize that I'm William Castle. The shallow grave of victims is darker than all your rectums. When evil death's detected, you're bleeding internal septums. Enjoy my spectrum. Blood diseases, you're gonna catch them. Cause in my system, I'm doing numerous exorcisms. What up? Fucking masters of horror. Giving exorcisms to all you sluts.
Y'all can't take your help.
You must tear out her evil heart.